Good day everyone, I am Kent Darrell A. Tribunalo. Let me introduce my topic. Title, Illegal Logging in Barangay Luka. Introduction. Cutting trees banned to our government and can be multiplied or imprison many people cut woods because they can get a financial income with this. Barangay Luka Mountain Use Area face significant challenge in illegal logging. She shall be free employed and also give assistance as not suffer and for nothing cutting trees. This report aims to identify the reason behind the illegal logging and provide solution to address the issue. Methodology. Result survey findings. 8 of 10 residents based on the survey is they do not agree to stop wood breaking. 2 out 8 residents said that they agree according to the breaking of wood breaking up to the fact and is broken around us. Based on the survey, all respondents are wanting this issue to be solved in our Barangay Luka.
The data indicates that geographical challenges as illegal logging are primary contributor to illegal logging in Barangay Luka. So based on my respondent, not agree if the government ban to cut wood because it will make harder to them to find a job and people will suffer and she will not get food if that trees ban to our government. Conclusion. Therefore, being unemployed, hard to them to look for life, especially those who are ununiformed. So they are different to work for money for their needs, and even unlawful, they are entering to eat every day. So it is more important to study, to be easy to work, and no longer suffer. Recommendation. Provides other benefits. If stopping the cut of woods, the people relying on wood and the government is provide financial to our people who not graduated or they cannot school. Suggestion and solution. The government should be offer a job and they can also undergo the program training for enhance their skills